What's up, and welcome to the Alex Who Show. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own Ghostbusters Ecto containment unit. Now, there are lots of different types of containment units used throughout the Ghostbusters universe, including the ones in the movies, released the first Ghostbusters film. I didn't see it in the second, but it was also used in the real Ghostbusters, but not Filmation's Ghostbusters. If you don't know about that story, Filmation's Ghostbusters was original series, live-action series that they had earlier, way before the original 1984 Ghostbusters, but then they came back with a cartoon once Ghostbusters got big, with the two films and the real Ghostbusters. So that's why the real Ghostbusters named themselves the real Ghostbusters, because they were trying to say that we're the better ones, or we're the real Ghostbusters, when Filmation wasn't, even though they had the original rights to the name, well, Ghostbusters wasn't, and didn't, and years later they actually just gave up the name. What the heck, give it to Ghostbusters, and they actually put money towards them now. That's the story of that, but there are lots of different Ghostbusters again, like the real Ghostbusters, and that containment unit was a lot bigger than the original one, as you can see, but I'm basically going to show you how to make a combination, or collage, maybe, a combination of both of these containment units into one little portable mini one that you can have around your home or basement, just like we Ghostbusters did. Let's get started.
Let's go over all the parts and pieces you'll need to build your very own custom Ecto containment unit. Now let's go over the base itself. That's actually just a huge electronics box that I found that's used for storing electrical equipment, and I painted it red with the rest of the stuff I wanted red. Some of the little plastic things are electrical boxes and different pieces of wood that I cut myself that for extra boxes and give it more of an Ecto containment unit effect. And that circular piece is an end cap of something I used off of a bottle, and then the other thing is part of a can. The handle I actually found for about $1.95 at a miscellaneous junk store. And let's go over all the little pieces. The piece up there is actually an SPST push button switch I found for 49 cents. Then the piece right there is a magnetic encoder for $3.50 I found. Then the piece right there is a momentary push button. And then the piece right there is an SPST knife switch. These are all the little pieces, and then the rest of the pieces are kind of miscellaneous pieces I used. Now inside, to give sound effects, what I did is I hot glued a Bluetooth speaker in so it can play sound effects, and it can echo throughout the containment unit. Also, all around the containment unit, I also put stickers, such as this. I actually found this from a little Ghostbusters sticker kit that I bought. That's basically how you make your very own Ecto containment unit.